Good morning, friends. Today we're going to take a long drive all the way down to Freedom, New Hampshire. Got a couple of drains we got to do down there. We got to take care of their town hall. I guess they got a sewer clog. But if you watch the video, I'm going to stop at my favorite sandwich place. And I'll give him a plug and show you the sandwich that I love so dearly. So we're going to go knock out that drain. We're going to drive on down to Freedom, New Hampshire. We got about an hour and a half ride. Got to gas up and show you some videos later on. Talk to you soon. See you later and enjoy your day. Okay, so we're here. The sewer's definitely clogged. We're going to pull the toilet. So we're going to pull this toilet here. Got our machines ready to go. So we're going to get this guy open and we're going to flex shaft it. Toilet's off. Well, let's send the camera down and see what's down there. Found the clog. It wasn't that far away. I have done this sewer before in the past. Hit roots out here probably about 4 years ago, so good possibility it's roots, paper clog, or a paper towel clog. It's a possibility because they are in the bathroom, but I'm going to lean towards roots simply because it's been about 4 years. Oh, looky what we got here. Tree roots. That's what we got out of here before, so seems to last about 3 to 4 years. Bermico pipe connecting to the cast iron, so that's where they're growing in from. A nice look at these. Nice little root tail. Alright, let's go back to cleaning the drain. We keep New Hampshire flowing. Okay, sewer's all set. We found a couple issues with it. It's noted on the sewer inspection. Flex shaft out a bunch of roots. Got that up and running really nice. So we're gonna go get our sandwich now from our favorite roast beef place, Smoking Guns in Ossipee, New Hampshire. All right, folks, I'm here. Smoking Guns. Gonna go get my sandwich. Down here in Ossipee, let me tell you, I have eaten roast beef for 25 years, North Shore veteran, eating that stuff. Not even close to how good this place is. Let's go see my buddy Gary inside. And let's eat. Oh, you guys don't even know the goodness that's gonna happen. Get ready for it. Okay, here we are with Gary LaFoe, owner of Smoking Guns Butcher Shop and Barbecue, home and inventor of the absolute best roast beef sandwich that you're going to get anywhere. 25-year veteran of eating North Shore roast beef. He killed him. I'm sorry, but he killed him. He came out with the big beefy. Listen, if you don't come up here and try the sandwich, man, you're missing out. And when you die and you go to heaven and God says, have you experienced everything? No, because you didn't experience the big beefy.
Big beefy.
You got to get that. So how about giving him a brief history?
Definitely. I was ex-meat manager for Hannaford for, I don't even know, 10, 12 years. Been in the retail business. Decided to take a break, do a food trailer. So I did the food trailer, did that for a couple months, and then this place is for rent. So I decided to call the guy, gave him a stupid number, he took it. Long story short, here we are, 2 years now, and I take a lot of staples from North Shore and Boston, Massachusetts area. We serve some of the best pizza around, along with the North Shore roast beef. It is smoked, so it's a little different from the other guys. And we also serve the big beefy, which he was explaining to you is cheeseburger on the bottom, junior roast beef on top, with the James River sauce and the mayonnaise, cheese both sides. So it's a real hit. People coming from all over to try these North Shore roast beefs.
Let me tell you, if you're not trying it, you definitely got to get your butt up here and try it, because this is, like I said, one of the absolute best sandwiches that you're ever going to have. And we have them here up in the upper northeast, New Hampshire area, where we don't have a lot of great restaurants. But when you find a hidden gem, come see Gary. come get your sandwich. Let me tell you.
I'll try it out.
You leave you hungry, you're leaving on your own. Because you ain't leaving hungry.
That's right.
Awesome. Thanks Gary.
Have
Also want to say the pizza here is kick-ass too. So you want to get that. You want to get some of the ribs and try out other food products they got here. But their pizza here too, we've stopped in there, we've had it. And I'm not ordering it today because the Big Beefy's a big sandwich. So I'm going to eat that. But definitely their pizza is a winner for dinner. So make sure you try some of that too. All right, my sandwich is here. You ready for it? Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Absolutely packed. Beautiful French fries. Let me tell you, these French fries are killer. Sandwich must weigh like 2 pounds. Ta-da! I mean, look at all that melted goodness in there. Buns toasted. Roast beef burger with a nice hint of smoked James River sauce. And the best part is, I'm not going to leave any of this on the plate. Let's get into it. Smoking Guns Butcher Shop. Get in there and get the Big Beefy. We keep new